Hello Leo, this is your monthly love reading for August. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. If you have in your birth chart in Leo, then this is the reading for you. Please keep in mind, energy can go both ways. So, however it resonates, take it as it is. Okay. If you like this reading, please like, share, and subscribe my channel, King of Cups Tarot. And if you want a personal reading with me, you can email me. Email ID is given in the description box. Let's start your reading. Yep. First card is Page of Swords, Ace of Wands, Five of Cups, Ten of Cups, King of Wands, King of Cups, King of Pentacles, Ace of Swords, Three of Pentacles, the World. Bottom of the deck is Seven of Pentacles. So first of all, I will tell you about the signs. Signs are here. Here we have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Every single sign is available here, and specifically we don't have any. Okay, specifically we only have Sagittarius and all other fixed signs. That is Scorpio, Taurus, Leo, and Aquarius. Okay, so let's start your reading. Bottom of the deck we have Seven of Pentacles. That means in this relationship you are very hopeful that it will grow to some extent, and it will give you a fruitful result basically. Okay, so you are patiently waiting for response of somebody, or you are patiently waiting that something to happen. Okay, so there is it can be different for different people, but I am seeing you as waiting. Okay, so this is your overall energy. Just below this it is Five of Wands. That is the card of conflicts. Okay, it is the card which in because it is the love life in general. Okay, so it is the card of conflict as well as jealousy from other people, and other people are influencing your love life. Okay, so these are the things. And just below we have the Empress. That means you and the person you are seeing this reading for is wanted to get settled. Okay, and they see you as their wife or husband, as a life partner. Okay, so they see you like that. Okay, so let's start your reading one by one. We will describe the cards. Okay, yes, so first card is Page of Swords. So basically here I can see that the people, that person actually you are dealing with is actually spying on you. He or she is keeping an eye on you from very far, and they wanted to get some information about you, that whom you are dating, whom you are being with, whom you are gossiping with. Everything they want to know. Okay, so they can use social media platform for this, and Instagram as well. This WhatsApp messages, WhatsApp status, when you are online, when you are offline, everything they notice. Okay, so they are spying on you right now, and they actually stalking you, I will say. Okay, Why they are stalking? Actually, because they feel very passionate towards you. Okay, they feel very physically attracted towards you, and they have one spark in them that they want to share with you. That's a new beginning of a relationship as well. So they can offer you a new beginning in this month, as Ace of Wand is here. So this person wants to start a relationship. It may be due to the physical attraction, but it can lead to some commitment as well. Okay, so let's see that other card. The second card, third card is Five of Cups. Five of Cups is they are actually delaying all those things. Okay, so they are actually very regretful about their past, and they are actually sabotaging this relationship. Okay, this is a card of regret, and this is a card of this sorrow. So they have lots of sorrow and regrets about their past relationship, but they are hopeful that uh, this relationship will start, and it will grow to a 10 of cups. That is the next card. Okay, so the 10 of cups is here. So 10 of cups is representing here that this person's intentions, actually they have that good intentions towards you. They want to get settled with you. They want to see that life, married life with you. They want to see kids with you. Everything they want it with you. Okay, so here they want to be happy with you. That is a dreamland kind of situation, but still they actually have that plan in their mind, not in the physical world. Okay, so they want it with you. Okay, they want to offer you a marriage commitment basically. Okay, see, now let's start the other row. In second row we have King of Wands. So he can be Leo, or he or she can be Leo, but the energy here that they are very passionate towards you. Okay, that passion has come already here. They have very good passion towards you. They are physically attracted towards you, and they want to get settled with you, and they want to offer you that new beginning. Okay, they want to offer you a close relationship, like they want to offer you passionate new beginning. Okay, so this person can be Leo, and or a strong Leo in their chart. This can be the situation, and here we have King of Cups. So it might be that, like there could be two people attracted towards you. Okay, one is the person who is basically wants to get physical, as well as they want to get settled with you, but some other person is actually loving you. They want to offer you romantic offer they want to give you, and they want to start a emotional connection with you. Okay, they feel an emotional connection with you. They actually want to offer you love basically. Okay, so this person can be loving, caring, and intelligent, as well as he can be a Scorpio, because King of Cups is sometimes it represented as a Scorpio, so it can be a Scorpio. Here is the third king. Okay, King of Pentacles. These three kings can be represented as one person as also. Okay, because it can be there, like this person can have these three kind of personality in one person. Okay, but it is very rare basically. Okay, so King of Pentacles is the person who want to offer you a serious commitment as well. Okay, so maybe a third person who want to enter in your life, but they are very serious about this, and they want to get give you a serious offer, so that they want to get settled with you, and they want to spend their whole life with you. Okay, So this kind of offer they want to give you. Okay, so you might have the three offers, or it may be like these all three kings are represented by one person only, and this person have all these three qualities. So it is possible. Okay, so these three kings have no problem, but the problem is with the king of swords. King of swords is not a good energy for love reading, but these three kings are very good for love reading. Okay, so if these three kings are present here, that means the person coming for you in August is actually very much serious about you, and they want to get settled with you. Okay, so they are actually very much clear about you, because two aces is here, so new beginning is going to happen in August. So they are very clear in their mind. They want to uh, uh, present you a new truthful beginning. Okay, and they are very clear about the things that they want to build with you. They want to get settled with you, because the next card is coming here as three of pentacles, because this is the card of building something. Okay, they want to build an empire, and actually to build an empire they want to first of all keep the foundation. Okay, they want to build the foundation first with you. So this relationship will be in the initial phase in this August, and you will be chatting a lot. You will be might be going a lot with each other, and will be talking to each other so much, but it will be in the building phase, not in the serious commitment issues. Okay, but they can offer you serious commitment, but it you might take some time, because the world is here. So you are actually going through some past situation as well. Okay, so some past person is always coming into your mind in August, but you are about to close the chapter with them. Okay, so you want to just close the chapter, and you want to go forward with your life now without this person. Okay, so now you are just getting closer with the past, and you may be allowing these person to come into your life, and start a new beginning, because the world is always represented as the closing of old cycle and starting of new. Okay, so new beginning will be started. So now we will pull out one outcome card for you. Please give me outcome for Leo this month. Five of Pentacles and King of Swords. See, we were waiting for third. We were waiting for fourth king. Now it is here. Okay, so this King of Swords is actually your connected to your past. Okay, so you are cutting out all the strings which connects you through your past. Okay, so because of you are understanding the situation now, that cannot it cannot happen now, and it cannot work it out. So you're just cutting out the all the strings which are attaching you with your past. Now you are just cutting it out, and now you are very confident about the future, that you are not going to allow somebody to hurt you now. Okay, so you already hurt actually, because you were feeling in cold with this person, and you were having no contact situation, or you might have put them into no contact situation. That can also happen. Okay, so Five of Pentacles is the card that you are closing the cycle, closing the door with somebody, and starting the new cycle as well. Okay, so let's pull out some Queen of Moon oracle with for you this week, this month. Sorry. Creation. See, so you are starting new thing. Okay, and releasing the past. Okay, you are releasing the past, and starting the new things, new relationship, creating new relationship is an idea now, and now you have the idea that you are going to start your relationship with a proper manner, and you will plan your relationship, and according to that only you will follow the rules. Okay, so you will go by the rules now. Okay, it will not be like it was in the past. Okay, so this is the reading for you, Leo, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel, King of Cups Tarot. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can email me. Email ID is given in the description box. Thank you for watching.